Welcome, I'm filming on HTC Desire 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and as you can see there's the toggle battery saver. Simply tap on it, select turn on, and there we go, we're now in power saving mode. So in this mode there is a couple things that will change. Number one, as you can see, well, the appearance of things like your notification panel is now dark. And also things like your connection to internet will be limited, and now in terms of they will only be connected when you're interacting with the device. Once you put it to sleep, it will disconnect to save the battery, and automatically also disconnects things like your Bluetooth and other services, just to save the battery when you're not really using it. And yeah, now once you're done with it, make sure you turn it off so everything goes back to normal by simply tapping on it once more, and as you can see now it's back to normal. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.